Hey, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that can help you make money online using a popular platform, Google News. Yes, you heard that right. With Google News, you can tap into a vast audience and potentially monetize your content. So, let's get started with some quick tips. 1. Create a niche website or blog. The first step is to create a niche website or blog focused on a specific topic you're passionate about or knowledgeable in. Whether it's tech, fashion, health, or anything else, pick a niche that resonates with your audience. Consistent and quality content is key to attracting readers and keeping them engaged. 2. Research trending topics. Keep an eye on the trending topics and news stories on Google News related to your niche. Incorporate these hot topics into your content strategy to stay relevant and draw more visitors to your website. People are more likely to click on articles covering current events, increasing your chances of earning from ad revenue. 3. Implement Google Adsense. Now it's time to monetize your website using Google Adsense. Sign up for an Adsense account and integrate the ad code into your website. Adsense will display relevant ads on your pages, and you'll earn money each time a visitor clicks on those ads. Just remember to follow Adsense policies and guidelines for the best results. 4. Focus on SEO, search engine optimization. SEO is crucial to drive organic traffic to your website. Research keywords related to your niche and incorporate them naturally into your content. This will help your articles rank higher in search results, bringing in more readers and potential ad clicks. 5. Engage your audience. Engage with your audience by encouraging comments, responding to feedback, and fostering a sense of community on your website. A loyal and engaged audience is more likely to share your content, leading to increased traffic and, ultimately, more ad revenue. 6. Explore other monetization options. While Adsense is a popular option, don't limit yourself to just one source of income. Explore other ways to monetize your website, such as affiliate marketing, sponsored content, or selling digital products like ebooks or courses. Diversifying your revenue streams can lead to a more sustainable income. And there you have it, a quick guide on making money online using Google News. Remember, building a successful online presence takes time and effort, but with dedication and the right strategies, you can turn your passion into a profitable venture. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more tips on making money online. Thanks for watching, and happy monetizing.